Thutha wa ambunge igana rĩa 88 kuhitukia watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu, riu ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja nithaganitie mucemanio wa muingi na uria ukamahe ikinya riria megutacukia kuona ambunge ni marathiganire ya Kenya. IGANA na munini wa mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio Martha Karua, nyongerera ya igoti ria maguta kuma gicunjia kia 8 nginya 16 ni gutindika mu Kenya sekta-ini ciothe kuona mathogora ma indo cia muhaka ni mekuogerereka.
We believe that in the end, it is the people's voices that will prevail. The only time we have suffered longer than we should is only when we have allowed dictators to rule longer than they should. And it is only when divide and rule succeeds. We must not let that to happen.
Gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa ithoma rĩa kerĩ makiria ma ambunge 20 Azimio matianyitire itemi ũikia-inĩ wa kura ũndũ ũrĩa Martha augĩte nĩ ũkũng'ethanĩrwo naguo harĩ o kĩama kĩrĩa kĩũmbĩte Azimio.
An institution called Parliament gets its mandate from the people, but the people retain the residual power. The executive, the judiciary, everybody, every state officer gets mandate from the people. The people will meet at Kamukunji grounds and they will roar back at Parliament and at the executive.
Iguru wa uguo, Azimio maugite kugikinya mirurungano niyo itua ria muthia mikana ya minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki ndiramaguoyohia makiuga mirurungano ni migitire negatifa.
Our rights are not given by people sitting with donated power in public offices. The rights are God-given and entrenched in the Constitution. We seek no advice from anyone.
Mtu yeyote asidhubutu akijizingizia ati ameshindwa katika mijadala ya kisiasa ama kesi kotini, asidhubutu kuumiza wananchi kwa kuleta maandamano ya fujo na ghasia. Tutamkomesha kabla hajaleta maafa.
Umwe wa maria Azimio ekoretwo igitetia uhaririria-ini wa mendekithia maya ni kiria maugite thirikari ndiarũmĩrĩire watho wa kuramata mbeca cia muingi amu kuringana nao mendekithia maya mabatie guka thutha wa guthomwo kwa bajeti.
This budget is selfishly tailored to ensure Ruto and his cronies are living large and they eat well where a majority are suffering.
Kuhituka kwa mendekithia mawatho wa kigina ma mwaka wa 2023 riu ni gucoketie urugari wa kiuteti gatagati ga thirikari na mung'ethaniro makiuga keriga kiumia giukite niguo makanirira kana ni megucoka kuri muingi indi makauga matiraguoyohio ni mikana ya thirikari. Ngiribotera Kameme TV gĩikaro-inĩ kia Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Foundation Nairobi, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.